Hi guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader. I just want to quickly acknowledge Sean, who wrote me, and he had a couple of things to say. He says, "You have taught me the true value of price action without using all those lagging indicators. I've made a small fortune so far, and according to some others who are part of your elite trading service, I will be joining that today, as I already indicated to you. Your uncanny skill and intelligence to predict price action is almost magical, as you are very transparent with showing your profit loss statements at many different financial institutions. You are a kind, patient, and great teacher." So Sean, thank you for those phenomenal words, and I'm glad that you're making out on the trades. Now, if you've seen any one of my videos for the past couple weeks, I've been literally shouting from the foothills that the best risk reward trade that I saw in a long time was short dollar yen. Now, this was as far back as the middle of April, where dollar yen was creeping up toward the 112 price level. And it had crept up from all the way from 104 from early December to about the 112 area in mid-April. But at that time, I said that this was likely a bull trap. This was likely going to be the best risk-reward opportunity on the short side. And to that end, on my advisory service, I started sending out my analysis on April 21st, indicating exactly why and where I thought was a great place to get short the dollar yen. So in my weekly advisory, I do a 20-30 minute video. The video explains exactly all my thinking. I show exactly what I'm looking at in terms of the price action and the price pattern. And on that particular Sunday, April 21st, to those who are watching my advisory video, I alerted you to an opportunity in dollar yen to start going short at 111.61. Now, prices today in dollar yen cratered to as low as the 109 level. So I'm presently holding at least 260 pips of trading profits in that short trade, as well as other trades that I've added in my personal account because of my excitement in dollar yen. I've also gone short the euro yen. So actually the following Sunday in my advisory service, I alerted those who were watching that video why I was looking at going short euro yen at 124.77, and now euro yen is trading at about 122.77, so about 180 pips lower than where I alerted our advisory members to go short on April 28th. So all combined, I'm holding about 600 pips short in these yen trades as the yen is going higher across the board. Now again, I have been alerting our public members as well as our advisory members to this opportunity. I've kind of shown you a little snapshot of my own personal account where I'm holding over $300,000 in gains on my yen trades. So again, to my mind, identifying very simple patterns and price action and puts you in the direction of where the market is looking to go. Now you're probably asking a little bit about what is the advisory program. So this is an alert that we send out every Sunday, and it includes a 20 to 30 minute video analysis of all the markets and all of the important setups. So hopefully members who sign up to this service take two things away. First off, you start understanding how price action, price pattern trading affects the markets. And then secondly, I put a direct trade and alert you to exactly how to take advantage of these opportunities. And so with that said, I hope you have a healthy and prosperous trading day, and I'll see you next time.